Hey guys, if you have a full-time job that demands 40 hours or more of your time each week, you may initially think that finding the time for a side gig is an impossible task. Nonetheless, there are numerous opportunities available to earn some additional income, and many of these gigs offer flexible scheduling options. These jobs allows you to determine your own working hours, giving you the freedom to work during mornings, evenings, or weekends, thereby allowing you to seamlessly incorporate them into your existing full-time career. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now here are 4 easy ways to make extra cash. The first one is teach students online. If you have strong skills in subjects like math, science, history, foreign languages, online tutoring can be an excellent opportunity for you. Since school hours typically overlap with regular work hours, this gig can easily fit into your 9-to-5 job without causing any interference. When it comes to tutoring, you generally have 2 options to choose from. The first one is to join a tutoring website like tutor.com, where you can register as a tutor and get matched with students in need of your expertise. The second option is to independently find your own clients. While the latter option often proves to be more financially rewarding, as you can set your own rates and avoid sharing profits with a tutoring company, it may require more effort and dedication initially. Regardless of which path you choose, online tutoring can provide you with the flexibility to work around your existing job schedule. You can schedule tutoring sessions during your free evenings and weekends, ensuring a balance between your full-time career and your side gig as a tutor. The second one is start landscaping business. If you are good at working with plants or have some experience of backyard maintenance, starting a landscaping business could be an ideal side hustle for you. Not only does this venture allow you to put your skills to good use, but it also offers the added benefit of spending time outdoors, which can be refreshing if your primary job keeps you indoors. To kickstart your landscaping business, you will typically need to acquire clients within your local area and ensure you have the essential tools and supplies to provide the necessary services. As you begin, you can explore potential clients by utilizing local Facebook groups or dedicated apps designated for connecting service providers with customers in your vicinity. Once your landscaping business gains momentum, you may even start receiving referrals from satisfied clients. Word of mouth recommendations can significantly contribute to the growth of your business. Satisfied customers are likely to recommend your services to their friends, family, and neighbors, further expanding your client base and enhancing your reputation in the industry. By establishing a successful landscape business, you not only have the opportunity to generate additional income, but also to indulge in a fulfilling and enjoyable outdoor activity. The third one is deliver food. Engaging in food delivery as a side hustle represents an excellent opportunity for individuals seeking flexibility in their work schedule. This gig allows you to have control over your work hours, enabling you to choose when you want to work. Moreover, the nature of this job is relatively straightforward. You simply collect the food orders and deliver them to the designated locations. For those with physically demanding jobs that require constant standing or movement throughout the day, the food delivery can offer a refreshing change of pace. By transitioning to a role that involves driving and delivering orders, you can give your feet and body some fitness while still earning extra income. It provides a chance to engage in a different type of physical activity and break away from the demands of your full-time job. An added advantage of food delivery as a side hustle is that peak delivery hours often align with the completion of your regular workday or fall on weekends. This means that the bustling rush hour for the deliveries typically occurs after you have finished your primary job, ensuring minimal interference between your full-time employment and your side gig. By strategically choosing the hours for food delivery, you can seamlessly balance both commitments without major conflicts. And the fourth one is rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't need to use regularly, or an extra vehicle that remains idle most of the time, you can explore the potential of earning income by renting it out through car rental platforms like Turo. You simply list your car for rent on the platform and set the rental price according to your preferences. Interested individuals can then browse the available cars and make a booking. As the owner, you earn cash from each successful rental. The process of renting out your car is relatively straightforward and can be an attractive option for individuals with full-time jobs and limited availability. By utilizing car rental sites, you can tap into the potential of your underutilized vehicle, transforming it into a source of additional income without requiring extensive time investment. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, are you currently making extra cash from your side hustle? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.